weekend, but me and him got on the topic of wings. Did I tell you guys my new wing recipe yet?
No, you told us that you were working, like last weekend,
Yeah.
you actually worked on your own test kitchen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Developing your wing recipe.
So there has been future developments within that, right?
All right.
And so I played around with some more. Basically, I go down to the store and I get party wings. My reason for this is that there is a serious lack of quality wings here in Boise, right? There's nothing good. You have your top two, which is Buffalo Wild Wings, obviously gone down the garbage in the last 10 years, right? That not as good as they used to be. And the genetically modified portion of their wings is starting to get kind of just questionable, right? When I pull out a wing the size of my fist, right, I think
Maybe altered,
right? Then Wingstop, right? I talked about this. Wingstop, the quality of wings is better, right? The cost is horrible, right? And the overall taste is okay. But their fries are fantastic.
Remind the listeners as well as our guests, best wings you've ever had in your life.
Best wings I've ever had in my life were at the Partition Bar in Socrates, New York. Yeah, Socrates.
Amazing.
Fantastic. Basically, yeah.
Basically our favorite place in the world.
Amazing. So Vanessa, now I've been on the search to create my own wings, right? So I got my air fryer, right? Looking to do the more healthy way of doing this. I go down to the store, get my party wings. I think I can get like 12 party wings for like all of $3, right? Which is, typically you're charged $1 a wing. So from there, air fry this bad boy, flip it, air fry the back, air fry the top.
Stale gummy technique.
Wow.
Travis Rook.
Thank God. Yes, yeah.
There's another freak in the world. Yeah, thanks, Travis. Yeah, hey, good to see you, bud.
For everything,
yeah,
right? So
Jessica, yeah, we just they were just a training, and that explains a lot.
Yeah. Anyway, back to my thing. So after you start to air fry up the wings, get them nice and crispy, right?
Yeah.
So what I've been doing for my sauce, pretty generic buffalo sauce, buffalo base, right, is what I use. I use a small bit of olive oil. I use a tablespoon of melted like margarine, some butter. I do a little bit of garlic powder, a pinch of cayenne, a pinch of red pepper, right? Mix all that in there, right? And then the cherry on top. Splash of pickle juice, basically to add some acidity without adding the pickle flavor, right? Because I'm looking for more of that vinegar taste, right?
I like
Mix that together, whisk it, toss my wings in there. I have a metal bowl for tossing,
nice
an actual, and I toss those things for 30 seconds, right? And at that point, I did 2 different things this weekend. At that point, you can eat the wings, sauce on it, everything good to go, or put it back into the air fryer, bake in the sauce into the wing to make it less messy, right? And then they have a buffalo wing dry seasoning that you can sprinkle on top of the wing at the end. Adds a little bit more crispness to it and a little bit more flavor. So your initial bite into your tongue, you get flavor there. And then once you start chewing through the buffalo that's baked in, it takes it to the next level.
Hey, I think on the next visit, we have to have a taste off.
No, I would like to.
I think we make a video on
There is a serious
Anthony
lack
cooking.
of wings. So I got into this entire idea. I'm like, I could start delivering these. I could start selling these within my neighborhood, right? Start a whole wing business out of my garage.
Tony's Wings.
Right? Tony's Wings. I'll have like 10 air fryers going. My electricity bill is going to be through the roof, right? And what's going to be great, they just walk up to the garage, I open it up, and they're like, this isn't COVID friendly. You have air fryers right next to weed eaters and things like that. I'm like, it's totally fine. We're wearing gloves and masks. It's okay. So I want to get these wings out there. This wing recipe, right? Started off. See how it
I think you need to
fares
post it on the podcast discussion group page.
in the Buffalo realm. So, but made progression on there.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. If you're somewhere in the future, leave a comment below. You can ask your questions there, and I'm sure these guys will pop in and they can leave responses there to you as well. So thank you again, and as always, subscribe to the Red Company YouTube channel as well as our 2 other channels, and leave a review. Wherever you listen to the podcast at, leave a review, and that helps us get in front of more people, keep spreading the audience, keep spreading the love. So, guys, let's all say bye.
All right.
See you guys.